Project Brian, and we're at the ScrewFix live exhibition. We're going inside now and we're going to reporting loads when we're inside. Come on in. Look at this. Only just come in the door and the first free gift. A ScrewFix boot bag. What about that? Here we are at the bargain centre. I'll dive straight down here. Okay, this is the third day, but there looks to be plenty there. Probably going to buy the bucket, and we'll see what we can pick up at a bargain price here. Follow me. Here we go, got my goodies, and now we can see the rest of the show. Onwards and upwards. Right, here we are on the Evolution stand. Our friends from Evolution got these marvellous blades that cut steel. But hey, I'm going to have a go at winning a blade.
On the big wheel of fortune.
On the big wheel of fortune, we've got to do it. Ready? Either way. There we go. Spin it, and where will it go? Where will it go? Where will it go? Where will it go? It has gone...
A pencil.
A pencil?
Let's have a look at the pencil.
Let's have a look at the pencil, yeah. Oh. Evolution pencils. Right. Here we are at the Evolution stand, as we've said before, and this is the saw that Evolution have very kindly donated to our prize draw, which finishes on Tuesday. There's a previous film on this saw where we reviewed this tool, and the length of the cable is the question you're going to need to answer, and if you answer correctly and enter as a subscriber, you will get posted one of these saws direct from Evolution. Special on the Makita stand this year. It seems that Makita don't push the boat out at the ScrewFix exhibition. There are other exhibitions that do that better, I think. We're on the Bosch stand and I've made a purchase. This is a quick fix hole saw set. I've been an admirer of these for some time. I don't know how long they're all going to stay in their box, but this would have been £60. In the catalogue, it's now £40, so I reckon that's a bargain.
This looks familiar.
Here's the Dulux dog again. Unfortunately, didn't recognise me from last year. That's life.
Oh, do we sing it for you?
And there's food. What about that? Right, ready to go home, and excellent time. All my goodies. Really good day. Come again next year.